In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide guides in Figma. If you've ever been laying out a design and those red guidelines start to feel a bit distracting, here is a quick and reliable way to clear your view without deleting anything. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently turn them off and on whenever you need a cleaner canvas. First, open your design in Figma so you can see the rulers along the top and left edges of the canvas and any red guidelines you've created. These guides are great for alignment and spacing, but sometimes you want to step back and view the work without all the scaffolding. The key thing to know is that Figma links the visibility of guides to the rulers. That means when you hide the rulers, the red guidelines disappear too. There isn't a native option to hide just the guides while keeping the rulers visible, so the toggle you'll use controls both at once. The fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. On both Mac and Windows, press Shift+R. Tap it once, and the rulers vanish. Taking the red guidelines with them, tap it again, and both return exactly as they were. This doesn't delete any guides or change your layout. It simply hides and shows them on demand. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure your focus is on the canvas, and you are not currently editing text or a field. If you prefer using the interface, you can access the same toggle from the menu. Click the Figma logo in the top left corner to open the main menu. Hover over View. Then choose Rulers. When Rulers is checked, you'll see the rulers and any red guidelines. When you deselect it, the checkmark disappears. The rulers are hidden and the guides disappear with them. This is a handy visual confirmation. The moment the rulers are gone from the edges, your guides are hidden too. A quick tip as you work. Use the toggle as a momentary clean view switch. Hide the rulers and guides to evaluate spacing, color, and hierarchy without the extra lines. Then bring them back to continue precise alignment. Remember, you are never losing your guides, just tucking them out of sight. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Figma.